Here we are, Northeast Calgary. We got 3 units to go on the roof. One is the absolute massive makeup air, 16,000 pounds. It's the size of a 20-foot sea can. Then we have 2 smaller carrier units going up on these pads. You gotta go up a little bit higher, Jay. I got eyes on you, you're clear. Coming down, I'm just gonna bring you up about 6 inches from the curb. We just got one done, and we're going to do the second carrier unit. It's only about 3,400 pounds. 7, probably 5 feet on our end. You're about half the distance, looking good. Pull forward and get everything straight and then come back again. Yeah, looking good. That's a good line. Good line. Keep coming back. Another 20, 30 feet. And our hold height. You can see our friends over there, air traffic control. We had to call into YYC operations and let them know we're here. They restricted us to a tip height of 96 feet above ground level, which is, it's not ideal, but we're making it work and getting some stuff on the roof for a client. There's Dunlop rubber boots in the back of my truck that I didn't take the 15 seconds to put them on, and now I just created like 20 minutes cleaning these. Do it right the first time.